Welcome, everyone. I am Ashley Mercado, and I am introducing our product, Revamp Running. We have created an application to solve what we think is one of the most interesting problems plaguing new marathon runners. What is that problem? You finally decided you're going to run a half marathon. You're researching training plans and trying to decide on a schedule. You're new to this, never having run a marathon before. As it turns out, you'll be running anywhere from 16 to 44 miles a week for the next 16 weeks. You start thinking about your neighborhood and where the other local runners go, but you don't know much because, like we said, you're new to this. After a few weeks, you've got the hang of things and you've run the same few dozen roads a few dozen times. You're bored. You can't imagine passing that same broken fence with the barking dog one more time. You need some variety, or you might not finish this 16-week training plan. Introducing Revamp Running, an application that provides route customization based on desired distance or time. This application aggregates crowdsourced routes near your current location, saving you time and providing routes the locals use for safety and familiarity.
Before we dive into the logistics, let's introduce the team and share a little about ourselves. We have a talented founding team of engineers and computer scientists. Ashley has her bachelor's degree in engineering. Ryan has his degree in aerospace engineering. Jacqueline has her bachelor's degree in management information systems, and I have mine in computer engineering. We're all avid runners and fitness enthusiasts and busy working professionals who would love to save time while reaching our goals. Now that you've met the team, let's talk a little about our market opportunity. We calculated our total addressable market based on the number of smartphone users in the US. We aim to target new runners within that subset of the US population. We plan to target new runners as they would not already have a training or route-based app they are loyal to. Our research shows many runners stick with an app out of habit. In 2018, there were 15 million new runners. Of those, we assume that 10 million of them will choose to use the freemium version of our application, and 5 million will pay for the customized route service or premium offering. Our beachhead market is the new marathon runner in major urban areas, often young professionals open to trying new applications and looking for innovative ways to change up their running routine or supplement it.
We took a look at our current market. Our competitors are good. They have a lot going on for them, ranging in price from free to $60 per month, depending on chosen items within the app. For example, one of our biggest competitors, Strava, starts from $5.99 and it can go up to $60 depending on how many features or items you want to add to the application. On the other side, we have 9Run, which provides items as shoe tracking and awards based on various runs for free. These applications all provide some of the same features we plan to offer, such as pace, calories, distance tracking, and different training plans, but none of them provide route customization. We are going to target our beachhead market head-on, setting up tents in major cities across the US, such as Boston and San Francisco, marketing to new marathon runners as they cross the finish line. We'll then follow up, and based on how they use the application, we will target advertisements for specific products we plan to offer, such as running shoes and monthly fees for customized training plans based on when their next marathon is. Also, for those marathon runners that were not caught during these events, we have other marketing strategies, such as to create a viral video, since that's the most effective and popular form of content nowadays. We will also reach our audience doing outreach initiatives as contacting influencers, bloggers, publications, and advertisements based on their interest data provided in social networks so that we can target them easily.
We'd like to give you an idea of where we are in our development. Currently, we have created a wireframe of our application that we have been using for customer interviews. We've been getting feedback on features, interests, and new additions each week. We plan to continue to develop the wireframe and seek feedback at larger events, like upcoming marathons or turkey trots for Thanksgiving. In order to expand our operations, we're asking for an investment of $350,000 broken up into these categories. First, we have our marketing investment, vital to getting the name of our company and product to runners who will utilize it. We anticipate investing just over $20,000 into online marketing, trade shows, and booths at the 6 marathons listed in our beachhead market. We also want to continue investing in our research and development, including engineering salaries and technology investments. With a 10% margin for growth, overhead, and managerial budgeting, we're asking for $350,000 for the next 18 months. For our milestones, we will release a beta application on iOS and Android to select users within the first 3 months, and the first downloadable version of our application at month 6. By the end of the first year, we project to have 10,000 active users, and by month 18, we have a goal of 50,000 active users, or about 1/4 of our beachhead market. We were able to calculate our estimated active users by the end of year 1 and our projected goals based on our beachhead market, LTV, and CAC. We're projecting to get 2,000 users from our online marketing campaign and over 8,000 users from our presence at the 6 major marathon races, using a 4% conversion rate during encounters with our marketing campaign. This conversion rate, number of customers, and total marketing costs results in a customer acquisition cost of $15.57, which with each active user making a $5 purchase every month, we get a lifetime value of $60. So if you feel like you've been stuck in a rut training for your marathon, look to Revamp Running. Explore while you train.